standing in the beautiful Hereford sunshine in a field of roses. It's 500,000 of them in here. Can you tell us a little bit about what makes this special, what makes this the UK's favourite garden plant?
So this is a hedgerow rose. This was planted about 3 months ago, so we're going to let that grow, we're going to let that take root. What's really important is not what's going on the top, but what's going on underneath the soil. Shall we dig one up?
I think that's a great idea. Let's do that.
This is already a fantastic rose. It's been in the soil only 2 months and it's already rooting down to that really fertile soil. So if you imagine this is going to be rooting in this field for another 18 months before we lift it. It's going to be 4, 5, 6 times the size of this by the time it comes out. It'll be absolutely fantastic for potting.
What would be your advice to customers in terms of how to look after this?
Plant with fresh compost, keep watering until the plant is established, and deadhead. When it flowers, take the dead heads off. It'll encourage more flowers to come.
Fantastic. Let's get this one back in the soil.
Super.
So Jack, we've changed fields now. These plants are 18 months on from the ones we saw in the previous field. So of course not every rose is going to make it. So what's the selection criteria that you follow to choose the perfect rose to arrive on the Homebase shelves?
Well, let's have a look at one, shall we? This is Rosa Pretty Parfuma. We know the variety is true. It's got the right flower on it. It's got the right foliage. But we're not just looking for that. We're looking for structure. So a good plant will have 3 solid breaks in it.
And if I didn't know anything about roses, what's a break? Where does it start?
So a break is right at the base of that plant. So a break is a stem. For us, it's a break in the main stem which creates those shoots that come out. They are the flowering shoots for the following year.
At this point onwards, Jack, what is the next stage before this makes it onto the shelves at Homebase?
So these will be lifted in the autumn and then potted. Shall we go and have a look at some potted specimens?
Let's do that. So for me, this is what we're building up to. You can see why this is the nation's favourite garden plant. For me, this is where it's at. The advantage for the Homebase customer with this is the bigger pot. So it's a bigger root system for quicker establishment. I'm going to put you on the spot now, Jack. If you had to pick a rose, you're buying one for your mum. Which variety are you choosing?
That's a very good question. Well, let's talk about Lakeside Beauty. And what a fantastic beauty it is. Have a smell.
Oh, please. Wow. Fantastic. Good
Absolutely
choice.
gorgeous, hey? So it's gorgeous colour, gorgeous scent, fantastic clean foliage, lovely, lots of breaks, lots of bud left to come. It really is a fantastic rose. And of course it could be grown as a shrub and a climber.
I think there's a question around British growing as well. What are the advantages for the Homebase customer of buying a British grown product?
Well, I think the first one is that British grown means it doesn't go far. It doesn't need to travel across any borders, or it doesn't need to travel across the channel. And we are a nation of rose lovers, so who best to grow your rose than a rose lover?
Is it something you'd recommend for the novice gardener?
Absolutely. Rose gardening is as hard or as difficult as you make it. Actually, realistically, twice pruned and deadheaded through the summer, it's a relatively easy plant to look after, and look at the beauty that it offers for the gardener.
And I think when you put that together, the different habits, the different colours, there really is a rose for everyone at Homebase.